Hello students, how are you? I think you may all be all right. Today we are going to learn our next lesson, Wonderful West. Tell me, it is not surprising you how West became wonderful? You know that wonderful means beautiful things or usable things. And waste means what? The things which are thrown in the garbage or unwanted things. But sometimes we make best things from waste material also. Don't forget. So let's see how waste material is became wonderful in this lesson. So the name of lesson is Wonderful Waste. Let's start the lesson. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. It means what? Maharaja of Travancore. He invited all his grand people from his kingdom for the dinner in his palace. In the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. Feast means party. So, before the dinner, Maharaja himself want to check what's going on there, what kind of dishes are being made by the cook, and therefore he himself enter into the kitchen to survey all the dishes. What are you doing, or what are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? He asked the cook. When Maharaja entered into the kitchen, he found some vegetable scraps around here and there, and therefore he asked cook that what are you going to do with those vegetables? And he pointed to the basket of scraps near the cook. He pointed out, "Hey cook, what are you going to do for those vegetable scraps?" Then then cook replied, "They are waste. We will throw them away. They are waste material, sir, and we will throw them away. We are not going to use them." Then again, Maharaja said to the cook, "You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables." It means he ordered, "Don't waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them." He ordered. The Maharaja commanded sternly and walk away. Maharaja ordered, command sternly, firmly, and walk away. Next, see, the cook was in a fix. It means what? The cook was in a trouble and thinking about that matter and kept staring at the vegetable scrap for some time. And staring means keep looking, and he keep looking, and he keep looking at the vegetable scraps for some time. Then what happened suddenly? Suddenly an idea, suddenly an idea flashed across his mind. He remembered something or idea flashed in his mind. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them, and cleaned them well. Then he took all the vegetables, that bits, that scrap materials, he washed them properly, cleaned them properly, and take it. Then what happened? Then he cut them into long strips. Then he again cut that pieces into long strips. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. What did he does? He put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Next, he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies, and garlic together. Ground means it is the past tense of grind. So he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies, and garlic together. Look at that next sentence. He added, look at this, he added this paste of fresh coconut, green chilies, and garlic. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. He put that paste and some salt in a cooking vegetables that he had cut before. A tempting smell, one of nice smell, mouth wandering smell, a tempting smell started coming from the pot. Now he whipped some curd and added it to the curry. Then he has taken some curd and added it to the curry. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with a curry leaves. Yes, then he put or poured some spoonful of coconut oil in that curry and nicely decorated it with the curry leaves. And then lo and behold, the new dish was ready. Yes, the new dish was ready to eat. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening. And then that cook served this new dish to the guests. Everyone was eager to know the name of the dish. Everyone was eager to know the name of dish. The cook thought and thought. He thought over it. Then a name came to his mind. He named it Avial. He named it Avial. It means he gave a name to that a special dish, Avial. It means Uvial. Avial become famous all over Kerala. And then after that Avial become famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. And Avial now became one of the traditional dishes in Kerala's feast. And imagine, it all come from a basket waste. Oh, it is all, these all things which he used to make this kind of new dish is from waste. It means it all came from a basket waste. Oh, wow, what a beautiful recipe it is. I think you may try it and test it definitely. Our lesson ends here. Thank you so much for hearing.